Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Maths tutorial. Today my topic is about some question on simplification. How to simplify any problem. I'm taking just one example. This is the equation. How to simplify it. 1 divided 1 plus 1 divided curly bracket 1 plus 1. Always start with the small bracket. We will do first this small bracket, then this curly bracket, then square bracket. We will do 1 plus 1 divided by 3. We can write 1 by 3, right? Next step, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1, it becomes 1 divided by 4 by 3. 1 divided by 4 by 3. Now this curly bracket we will solve first. 1 plus 1 divided by, here 1 by 4 by 3, we can write this one 1 by 4 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 4, right? 1 plus 3 by 4. Next step, it become 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. 1 plus 1 by, what does it mean? 1 by 7 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 7. 7 plus 4, 11 by 7. Finally, 1 into 7 by 11. In this way, this type of problem you can solve. First, solve the smaller bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Let's take one more example. 0.125 plus 0.027 by 0.25 minus 0.15 plus 0.09. So you can see 0.125 means 0.5 cube is equal to 0.125, and 0.027 become 0.3, cube become 0.027. It means this formula is going to fit here because a value is 0.5, a is equal to 0.5 and b is equal to 0.3. And after putting this formula, you get this simplification. So what is the formula is equal to? Is equal to a plus b, right? So our answer become 0.5 plus 0.3, which is 0.8, because a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b by a square minus ab plus b square. So a cube by b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. So simply this formula is fitting in this simplification. So our answer is a plus b, which is 0.5 plus 0.3 equal to 0.8. Let's take one more question like this. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So how to solve this type of question? Start with from the lowest. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. In the next step, 1 plus, we can write it 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4, 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. You can write 2 by 7. 1 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 9 by 7. So in this type of question, always start from the lowest to upper. This is the fourth question. In simplification, it's coming 3 by 48 is what part of 1 by 12? Let the what part be x, Then how we convert it into equation? What part we have taken? X means x of 1 by 12 is equal to 3 by 48. X into 1 by 12 equal to 3 by 48. X become finally 3 into 12. 12 will go there and by 48. X is coming 3 by 4. Next question is, how many 1 by 8 are there in 37 1 by 2? For this stuff, the number of 1 by 8 is equal to 37 into 2, 74 plus 1, 75 by 2, divide by 1 by 8. It becomes 75 by 2 into 8 by 1. 75 into 4 is coming 300. So in this way, these are the some example of simplification. I will come with another one more set of simplification part 2. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please ping me and subscribe my channel to get more maths video.